Hello everyone. Here I am going to discussing about binary search. Searching. Searching is a technique of finding an element from the given data list or set of elements like an array list or trees. It is a technique to find out an element in a sorted or unsorted list. In this searching techniques, you are having two types. First one is linear search and second one is binary search. In this video, I am going to discussing about binary search. What is binary search? Binary search is a quicker than the linear search. However, it cannot be applied on unsorted data structures. That means unsorted elements we cannot apply binary search. The binary search is based on the approach divide and conquer. The binary search starts by testing the data in the middle of the element of the array. This determines target is whether in the first half or second half. If target is in first half, we do not check the second half. And if it is in the second half, no need to check the first half. Similarly, we repeat this process until we find target in the list or not found from the list. Here we need three variables to identify first, last and middle elements. To implement binary search method, the elements must be in sorted order. Search is performed as follows. The key is compared with item in the middle position of an array. If the key matches with item, return it and stop. If the key is less than mid position item, then the item to be found must be in first half of array. Otherwise, it must be present in second half of array. Repeat the procedure of lower or upper half of array until the element is found. Here is the algorithm for binary search. Binary search, A key lower bound upper bound. That means array, key element, lower bound and upper bound. Here step 1 is begin and step 2 is lower bound is 0 and upper bound is n minus 1. That means index starts from 0 to n minus 1. Then lower bound is 0 and upper bound is n minus 1. What is step 3? Repeat through step 4 while lower bound is less than upper bound. Here in fourth step, middle, we can calculate mid value. Lower bound plus upper bound by 2. I can take 5 values, 6 values. I can take 6 values. What is the mid value? 0 plus 5 by 2. That means second position. If key less than A of mid, then upper bound is equal to mid minus 1. Otherwise, if key greater than A of mid, then lower bound is equal to mid plus 1. Otherwise, if key is equal to A of mid, right match found, return mid. Then, if in case the element is not found in the list, then go to step 6. That means right match not found, and then step 7 is end. Here is the program for binary search. Here what is int A of 20, I can take up to array size is 20. Position, enter n number of elements, key element, index value, then lower bound and upper bound. Here enter n value. What is the n value? N is equal to 6. Enter elements. How you can write the enter elements into the array? By using for loop. For I is equal to 0, I less than and I plus plus. Here I can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here A of 0 is equal to 1, A of 1 is equal to 1, 2, A of 3 is 2 is equal to 3, A of 3 is equal to 4, A of 4 is equal to 5. I can take 5 elements. My key element is 3. Here lower bound is 0, upper bound is n minus 1. What is the n minus 1 value? 5, 0 to 5th position. POS is equal to binary search of A, K, L, lower bound, upper bound. This is function call. In this step, we can go to the function definition. Int mid, while upper bound greater than or equal to lower bound. What is the lower bound value? 0. Upper bound value is n minus 1 means 6 minus 1, 5. So upper bound is greater than or equal to lower bound. 5 greater than or equal to 0. Condition true. Then go to inner loop. Mid is equal to lower plus upper bound by 2. 0 plus 5 by 2 means 2. If k less than a of mid, means my searching element is 3. 3 less than a of mid. What is the mid value? 2. What is the a of 2 value? What is the a of 2 value? A of 2 is equal to 3. Upper bound is equal to mid minus 1. 3 less than or equal to 3. Condition true? No. Then go to else part. Key greater than a of mid. 3 greater than a of mid means 3. A of 2 means 3. Condition false. Then go to else part. Key k is equal to mid. What is the key element? 3. Is equal to a of 2 means 3. K is equal to 3. Condition true. Then return mid value. What is the mid value here? 3. Position, mid position 2. So here 3 is presented a of 2 position. Return binary search. Here if position not equal to minus 1, that is, what is the position here? 2. 2 not equal to minus 1. Condition true. Then it goes to printf set successful element found at position %d means second position. Here is the example for binary search. Here is the output, another output for binary search. Here I can take n value as 6. Here is the elements. What is the searching element? 78. Here what is the mid value? 0 plus n minus 1 by 2. What here? N minus 1 means 5. Here is the mid value 25. 25 greater than 78. Condition false. Then go to next position. Else part. Then here 78 is present at fifth position. So after some finite steps, it can be, search can be successful, element found at position 5. Next. Here is another example for binary search. This is another example for binary search. Here searching element is 23. Here 2, 5, 8, 12, 16, 23, 38, 56, 72, 91 are the elements. What is my key element? 23. Here 23 greater than 16. Here is the mid position. Here is the 0th position. Here n minus 1 position. So 0 plus 9 by 2. That means fourth position is the mid position. So 23 greater than 16. Condition false. Then the element present in second half. That means fifth position to ninth position. Next, another 23 greater than 56. Here you can calculate again mid value. What is the mid value now? 56. 56, 23 greater than 56. Condition false. Then 23 found at position, 23 found at position 5th. So return 5. Here is the another example for binary search. Thank you.